We bought a house and I got the workshop. So let's build it.
Not so fast. First we need coffee.
Now we can talk. So hi, my name is Ville. I'm from Finland and I'm an engineer. This channel will be Pando's channel. Don't even ask where I came with that name in the first place, but I have been playing with that name like 14 years of video games right now. So I think that it was good and we go with that. Before we even can start with the workshop building, we need to do some renovation inside the house. But a little bit more of this house. Have all basic functionalities what is needed for living. But we wanted to renovate it. So this is the first house what we own by ourselves, where we can do everything what we want. So the basic things what we need to clear out before we start building the workshop. Electrification for the house. The panel is old and there is not enough fuses for upcoming needs. Heating system need to be updated from the oil. I don't like that there is always some live fire inside my house, so I think there is a better way to do it. And we need some kind of proper internet inside the house. And last but not least, fourth, we need to fix the storage system in the house. Now the garage is full of our personal stuff and renovation materials. My dog came here. So, what you can expect from this channel in the future? As you are thinking, those all projects what I mentioned before is taking some time. Some is weekend jobs and some takes a couple of weeks to finish out. So I will upload the new video always when there is something to show it. This won't be step-by-step tutorial. It's more about the decisions, trade-offs and what actually happened in real-life projects when I'm making those. I want to keep the content real so you can see all the mistakes what I make and what is the outcome from the projects and plans. Or at least I hope so I finish something in the future. Or my fiancé is not happy. But let's go look the garage, what is the situation there. As you can see, it's still full of mess. There is a lot of construction material right in this area and all kind of different stuff behind there. So I need to move this everything out from here before we can even start building a proper workshop for us. If this sounds interesting, feel free to subscribe and join our Discord channel. Links are down below. See you. Bye.